In 2012, House of Design emerged to transform industries through robotics system integration. They serve aerospace, medical, food, and electronics sectors. The team focuses on helping organizations implement automation with excellent returns on investment. Over the past 3 years, they saved more than 16,600 hours and $832,000 in costs. This success stems from their passion for robotics and solving manufacturing challenges. Ryan Oaklebury, COO, emphasizes the need to rethink traditional methods. They empower manufacturers to tackle labor shortages, automate tedious tasks, and focus on innovation. However, as HOD grew from 10 to over 90 employees, internal communication became challenging. Their machine shop faced delays and inefficiencies. Gathering custom part requests manually was tedious. They needed better visibility into workloads and project timelines. Their clients desired a Gantt chart view to trace project progress easily. Searching for a solution, HOD explored cloud-based project management tools and chose Wrike. This decision helped streamline workflows, centralize collaboration, and improve efficiency. Now, they share visual timelines, maintain a centralized knowledge base, and manage tasks effectively. Wrike replaced many disjointed tools, allowing seamless communication around tasks. This enhanced transparency helps in identifying intellectual property and tracking project contributions. A particular challenge confronted the team, managing thousands of part requests. Wrike's custom workflows and request forms significantly reduced bottlenecks, enabling the machine shop to enhance operational efficiency. The machine shop manager can now oversee 100% more parts due to this change. Evolving their processes, HOD created workload charts to balance tasks effectively. They now accurately estimate production time, leading to better planning and execution. Encouragingly, team members have embraced Wrike. One manager shared its transformative impact, illustrating how task assignment is now swift and accountability improved. Tasks that once took 10 minutes are completed in seconds. In sum, House of Design is revolutionizing manufacturing through automation and effective collaboration. By fully integrating Wrike, they empower their teams, enhance productivity, and drive innovation. Ready to transform your organization? Discover the power of automation and collaborative tools today.